Okay, hi guys, we're playing Animal Hospital. This is my second time playing, so I thought I would make a video of it. I guess we'll just join with randoms. Me! Hello, me. I'm sending a friend request real quick. Yay! Got another person in here. Also, I'm only playing for like 10 minutes. Come on, someone get in. Yay! Work at the hospital until you find out what really happens. Waiting for players. Okay. Okay, nice. Let's see. I guess I'm gonna just open this door. Oh. Hey. I'm here for my appointment. Register, print badge. Okay, let's go to room 1. Damn, my English is so bad today. I'm sorry, guys. Genuinely, today my English is so bad. Why are they so slow? That's my question. Take DNA sample. Okay, bro needs that. I'm gonna just let my... Here he has it. Bro, here he has it. I thought he only needed 1. And he's just loading. Thank you, doctor. Okay, let's get some more patients. He's coming. He's in room 2. Sample DNA. Wait, doesn't... And never mind. Process results. Yeah, you do that, bro. You do that. Doctor's arriving. Okay, do we just go back? Bro just left. Bro didn't even pay us. How rude of him. That's so rude of him to not pay. You know, guys? Okay, shift report. Oh yeah, got some money. The best one is me. Shift 1. Shift 2. Sup, I don't know how to read. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, got it? Why did I expect it? talk to this guy. I got room 5. Okay, we'll get you settled. Sir, we'll get you settled. I shouldn't have come. What do you mean, bro? This is a hospital. Oh, room 5 is right in the middle. That's convenient. Why are these people so slow? DNA sample. Okay. Don't look at my sanity or whatever it's called. Okay, he needs eye drops. Guess I'm gonna go get it because my team needs helping out another guy. It's fine. It's chill. We chill. Let's just wait. You're welcome, buddy. Bro, I'm getting so lost in here. I'm like getting lost how in my summer school I get lost in. Hello, my name is Yumi Clouds. I have an appointment. Okay. Photo. Register. Print badge. Take. Talk. Why that sounds so similar to TikTok, I don't know. I guess we'll go to room 2. Again. Why are they so slow? It's not like they broke a bone or something. They just here for a checkup. Okay, bandage and cup. I think that's kelp. Yeah. It's herbs. I'm so dumb. They look like kelp. I don't know why. Looks like my dyslexia is going crazy. Okay, my teammate already gave it herbs. Now I'm gonna give him bandage. I'm gonna just leave. Oh my! I keep on getting lost. Oh my god. Oh my. I keep on getting lost. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, now let's see this report. Yay, I'm the best! Let's go! Shift 2. Oh, shift 3. I genuinely can't read. I'm sorry. Bro, my teammates are just bumping into each other in here. Holy lag. Thought my screen froze for a second. Thanks, I will be in room 3. Oh, room 3 and it's day 3. That's convenient. Anyways, that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.